So I just finished preparing sambar, tomato sambar for idli, and now I'm preparing peanut chutney. It's also very simple and very tasty. I'm sure you will love this chutney. And I'm not sure if it's only from South India or this is also common in North India, but yeah, it's very tasty. And now I'll show you guys the ingredients that you need to prepare this chutney and how to prepare this chutney. So yeah, very important. You need peanuts and red chilies. I have added two different types of red chilies. If you can see, one like small and one big red chili. And I'm also using green chilies. Sorry, I forgot to record before putting them in the jar. But yeah, you can see garlic there, green chilies, coriander, coconut, and a little bit of tamarind and peanuts. So let's get started. I'm now adding a little bit of salt in it, and then we are ready to go. And I'll just put some water and then I'll grind it.
Also, don't forget to roast the peanuts.
And the chutney is ready.
And you can eat this chutney with anything you wish, akhi roti, chapati, idli, dosa, or even with rice. So it goes well with everything.